Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you how to use split screen on the OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro, and this will probably apply to most other OnePlus models. Due to a recent update, the process has slightly changed, and so we wanted to show you guys how to use split screen now. So what you're going to do is open an app. Just about all the apps do support split screen, but there are a few that don't, just FYI. So we're going to start with Google Chrome. I'm going to open up the Chrome browser and we're on a Washington Post article. Now, if I slide up and hold it, it'll take me to the running apps. And if I want to open this app in split screen, I'm just going to hold down on it, and then it's going to bring up the menu and you'll go down to split screen. And then now I can select another app. So maybe I want to have messages. Now I currently already have messages open, so this is a really easy switch. If it's not an app that you have open, just swipe up to go home and then find the app that you want to open. I can go here and go to messages, and now I can have a text message down here that I'm actively typing on while also reading an article up here. You can do a couple other things with this too. So like if you wanted to watch a YouTube video, you could have that video open while you're reading that article or while you're seeing that text. So same way, I can swipe up to close out of split screen. I did that really fast, so I'll show you that again, don't worry. But let's say I go to YouTube this time and I want to have a YouTube video playing in the background. I'm going to put the phone on silent. So let's say I just tap on this Fitbit video here, and Postmates gets a free ad. Nice. So this video is playing. I'm now going to swipe up and hold. I'm on my recent apps here. I'm going to hold down on the screen for about 1 second, go to split screen, and then I'm going to open up Chrome at the bottom here, and I can hit play, keep this video running. I can even tap in the corner here to make the video wider screen, and now I can be reading through this article at the same time. You can also adjust the dimension as well, so maybe you want to see more of the bottom. Just swipe up like that, and it will move the video up a little bit so you have more real estate at the bottom. So that's really how you use split screen now. And then if you want to get out of split screen, you would just simply look for this little white dash that separates the two apps, and you can either drag up or drag down, and that will close out one of the apps and then take the other app to full screen. So hope you guys found that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.